This is mini power strip with USB charger from Neton Power. It has 2 outlet and 3 USB ports. Like you can charge your power bank, phone, tablet directly from the USB port, or you can use outlet for your TV or laptop charger or whatever you want to use. Power rating like from 100 watt to 240 watt. Let me show what's really inside. This is a thank you note from the Neton Power. This is a user manual and the instruction about the warranty. It comes with 18 months of warranty. So here it is. It has a quite a little bit of weight, but I think that is for the transformer inside. Let me show it to you closer. Here it's a 3 USB port. This is the LED light indicating that the USB port is ready to charge your devices, and these two are power wall outlets. Power outlets. Cable is pretty much of good quality. Like it can resist up to 750 Fahrenheit, unless if you stuck with the short circuit or any kind of thing. Here you can see the white LED indicating that the USB socket is ready with the power and 2 wall outlet. Let me show the USB. This is my side table alarm clock with the sound. Let me show it to you. Okay, let me power on. You can see. Another way, here I'm using the USB wall plug to show that how the wall plug is working. It's kind firm and you can see the power is coming right up steady, so you don't have to worry about the loose plug or anything like that. So overall I am happy with the purchase from the Neton Power. I don't know how to pronounce it, like Neton Power or Antion Power. Stay tuned for the next one. Thank you.